What's up, guys? Caleb here with Oxide Motor Club, and today we got Justin, we got Hannah. Hey guys, today. Oh Jesus Christ!
I'm back, guys. Don't worry, I'm back. I know you missed me. I'm back. Okay.
Follow me at JMD.photos on Instagram. Thank you.
Put that in the description. Anyway, today we got a little meetup here. Really not that little. Pretty soon here, actually. Anyway. It should be a fun night. We'll see what happens later on down the road, but so far we got to go around and get some shots of some different cars for you guys. So let's get on with it. Whoa, 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 big wing gang. You gotta see this man pulling in. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Justin. Decent. Giving people the rumblies. Giving people the rumblies.
Hey, it's gone.
What?
It's gone.
Oh Jesus.
So, yeah, I'm done listening to myself. I can't hear it. Who's Supermoto?
It is. Oh, by Tyler. Yeah. Fuck yeah, we got the drift machine.
Yeah. I gotta get a new AP boy down there.
Newly wedded.
Alright, I'll let you know.
What do you think about the minivan? Gang shit. No whole lot of gang shit. Where did he go?
Fucking burnout he did as he left.
What's that?
The minivan.
Oh yeah.
Somebody find the leprechaun. There he is.
You'll never get me Lucky Charms.
So since he caught you, you can get a body mode, eh?
It was like.
Fuck off!
Jesus Christ.
Fucking hope.
Jesus. Oh shit, here we go again. We got the brackets. Holy shit! No way! Oh my god, World Tour.
It's the flag dropper. I wasn't gonna be that person.
He's angry! What the fuck? I think so, I couldn't tell. What was that? He said, I don't want no smoke. It's the battle of the shit boxes. It's the battle of the shit box. Damn!
How is like shit ball actually got it? I didn't know Chris could do it.
Again. Dog walk.
Bro, let me get my car out there. I'll run that shit up. Anybody.
Dog walk.
Same with Mike.
Oh shit!
Damn. Oh, okay. So, check this out. We just got done, the entire group. We all just got away from the cops at Logan's. We're down here at Cooper Park, bro. Nah, man, it got wild. I counted 6 squad cars hauling ass towards Logan's. Bruh. That could have been bad if none of us would have left. And that could have been very, very bad. So, we're back out here just kind of minding our own business now. Not doing any more of that dumb shit. Hell no.
Yeah. If I had
All right.
truck, I had to with a shitty
I'll show you guys the view real quick, though. Yo, did they just catch your ass for street racing?
Yeah, look, I got pulled over.
Damn, bro, that's tough.
Dude, street racing and subs, dude, way too loud.
Damn, bro, even the cop wants part of this meet, bro. Oh, never mind, he's flashing.
He just pulled over crowd control.
Damn! Oh, wait, Cameron's our officer, bro. Nah, he ain't pulling no one over. He ain't handing out no tickets. The fuck is this? Hell no. Yo, hey. So we just ran away from all those cops, bro. What's up? What's good? What? Fish bait? What the fuck is happening, bro? Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is! This is horrible. This is horrible. So, Brandon, that's a mouse, right? Oh, okay. We gonna die. Hey, don't worry, a big ass catfish will come up and eat that little bastard. Hey. Oh my god.
Hey, it's a neutral.
Bro. Oh man. Hey, look at this guy! Pretty damn far.
That's where it is. There's a boat there. Yeah, where that's. See, there's a handicap sign. No,
You won't. No, I promise to God you won't. I could even drive my car through there. Oh my god! Those mean ass geese. Oh hell no! Get that little prick! Hey, don't! Oh my god! So, how'd that one go?
It's like black people, we won't that.
Oh my god, okay. I don't know. We finna find out. Oh, okay. We stumbled across this random car made for PL. Shit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at all, oh my god. Look at this. Bro. Yo, H1 with the tiger wrap. I gotta see this shit. Yo. Wait, oh, hold on. Yo. Bruh. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. I don't know, but we're doing our own thing after this. Yo, your lights! Nice. Ooh, look at this. Over the Mustang. Damn, bro. I think he's gnarly. Man, didn't even think we had one of these H1s in this area. That's gnarly. Hey guys, so if you like today's episode, go ahead, leave a like. All of us are kind of shaky, I guess you could say. Anywho, we had fun today recording all this. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed this. Like I said, definitely a lot of fun. Hope to do it again real soon here. I do want to try and plan a different style of meet compared to what you guys normally see. The one that we drove up on was more of a cruise, so they were waiting on more people to get there, and when people got there they all took off, which was kind of cool, but at the same time kind of want to do a meet in that kind of style, you know, have those types of cars there and all that kind of fun stuff that you guys would definitely enjoy. But for right now, I think we're done for the night. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and if you want more videos like this, be sure to hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Have a good night.